Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Comprehension. State whether the statements are true or false. Everyone talked about Hilsa because it was the season of Hilsa fish. True. The king lost his temper because he was tired of eating Hilsa fish. False. The king wanted someone to buy a Hilsa fish and bring it to court. True. Gopal was a poor and silly person. False. The king was impressed with Gopal for dressing up strangely to court. True. No one talked about the fish because Gopal's appearance distracted them. True. Read the lines and answer the questions. Will you all stop talking about the Hilsa fish? Who said this? King. King Krishna Chandra. How was the speaker feeling when he said this? He was angry. Why was everyone talking about the Hilsa fish? Because it was the season of that fish. Next, I will buy the fish. You stay at home. Who said this was to whom? Gopal's wife said this to Gopal. Why did the speaker ask the other person to stay at home? She was shocked the appearance of the Gopal. Who was the speaker buying the fish for? Gopal was the speaker buying the fish for. Look at that comical man. Who said this was to whom? People said this to Gopal. What was comical about the man? The strange appearance of the Gopal. Where was the comical man headed to? How do you know? Comical man headed towards palace because he wanted to win the challenge. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct phrasal verbs from the box. The poor man found a clever way to dash and soon became rich. Okay, clever way to make money. The birds got scared by the noise of bursting crackers and flew away. You might dash if you are not careful with the big scissors. You might get hurt. The farmer dashed the money he made by selling his crops. The farmer lived on. Next, add un, in or dis to form new words. Dash true, untrue, disagree, incorrect, unkind, uncertain, disappear, unable, invisible, incomplete. Understood? Next. Circle the subjects, underline the verbs and write the objects. Sushil was flying a kite. Sushil, subject, was flying, verb, a kite, object. The girl loves mangoes. The girl, subject, loves, verb, mangoes, object. The boy played the guitar. Boy, subject, played, verb, the guitar, object. The policeman caught the thief. Policeman, subject, caught, verb, the thief, objects. The carpenter made a cupboard. The carpenter is subject, made is verb, cupboard is object. Next, write the short forms for these words using an apostrophe. Do not, don't. Let us, let's. Will not, won't. It is, it's. You are, could not, couldn't. Understood? For this, we finished our 14th chapter. Tomorrow, we will see the last lesson of tomorrow we will see the last lesson, true friends. Okay, thank you.